everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. 2019 has been an amazing year and I can't believe it has already become 2020. I've had so many fun, amazing memories in 2019 and I won quite a few awards in 2019. So let me just show you them. First, we have the Miss Kerala 2019 Impresario Award. It's a digital star award. KichaTV 8 years award. A nice tiger picture. All Kerala Caterers Association Award at the Caterers of 19 in Trivandrum. I also went to a school called Rogationist and I got this award. I really like it. And the best award I cherish for my entire life is the SBI Yono 2020 Indian Youth Icon Award I won for the category Social Media Influencer. There are many other things that have happened, such as I have gone to many schools and colleges. I went to many schools and colleges to give inspirational talks. I also got selected for TEDx, but then I didn't make it, but still it was an awesome experience. And I became a head boy, and academically I got many A1s, I passed many tests, and much more than that. There's something exciting coming up for 2022. Global Child Prodigy Awards has selected me as one out of 100 children to be selected to get the Child Prodigy Award from across the globe. And I can't wait, and I'm so happy. So let's move on to today's recipe, which is coconut cookies. We add maida or all-purpose flour. Next, let's add milk powder. I'm using AVT's Dairy Show milk powder. It is super fresh. Let's add it. I'm going to taste a little. It's half cup and I'm going to taste a little bit of it. Tastes super fresh. So let's add it. Next goes in desiccated coconut. Kerala is filled with coconuts. Next we're adding powdered sugar. I love powdered sugar. Add salt, lemon powder, and baking soda. Now mix nicely. Mama, how much time do you mix this?
Until it's thoroughly mixed.
Today, while I'm coming back from Lulu Mall, I asked my mom, why don't we make cookies? My mom said, why don't we make coconut cookies? Then she said, let's use milk powder. And I'm using AVT's Dairy Show. And I love it. And we have seen it's nice and nicely mixed. All the colors merge. Next, let's add ghee. I'm using AVT's Dairy Show pure cow's ghee. So let's add ghee. Add slowly and mix. We need to get a wet sand consistency. Mama, can I add a little bit more ghee? The consistency is a little weird.
Yeah, you need to add a little more. It should look like wet sand.
Yeah, now it's a little
So you
dry.
keep adding until you get the right consistency.
Yeah,
You can mix with your hand now.
yeah. It's good.
Okay, could you just hold it in your hand and see whether it's holding?
No, it's
shape?
not.
No, it's still crumbly. You can add a little more.
Yep.
So we would be adding 1/4 cup to half cup.
Yeah. 1/4 cup to half cup. That means we have to add half the amount of ghee. Is it perfect? Mama, I think it's done. Is it the perfect consistency?
Yeah, it's perfect now.
It's a little messy out, so let's clean it after this, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to clear this up, transfer this into cling wrap and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. The cling wrap is ready. Now let's transfer this onto the cling wrap. There's no need to knead the cookie dough. Now let's fold and refrigerate.
Kitchen, no, you have to pack it tightly.
Okay.
Yeah. And tuck it underneath.
Yes. Oh, hold on.
Yeah. And then, okay, good.
and now we're done. Let's refrigerate for 30 minutes. We just took the cookie dough out of the refrigerator. And Mama, why do we refrigerate it?
There are a few reasons behind it. One, it said that the cookie would spread only little when it is refrigerated. And two, you would get more flavorful cookie. And three, it would become a little more crispy.
Wow! So I can't wait. Let's first roll it a little. Is that enough, Mama?
Yeah, roll it slowly, okay? Even thickness. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Now, let's use some more. Let's pop the cookies into the freezer for 10 minutes because we don't want the cookies to spread much. Then bake it for around 10 to 12 minutes in 170 degrees Celsius. The cookies are just out of the oven. I baked them for 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Now cool them down for 10-15 minutes and our yummy coconut cookies are ready. Wish you all a happy and prosperous 2020.